Hi guys, in today's video, I will be explaining about how to use backgrounds in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and for using backgrounds. You don't need to go anywhere because in Clipchamp you will find a lot of backgrounds which are useful for your content and for using it. Open your application and open a project where you want to use the background. The next thing is, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options. From here, you have to select this one content library. Once you will click on it, it will be expanded and you will see multiple things. Now from here, scroll down, and here you can see the option of backgrounds. Click on it to expand its feature. Now if I scroll down, you will see multiple backgrounds like this one is nature, and below to it 3D backgrounds. Now in order to use any of these, click on that one which you want to use. Once you will click on it, that will be expanded. In order to use, just click on this plus icon. Now adjust this one according to your need, and you will find multiple backgrounds in Clipchamp. You don't have to download any of these from Google or from any other website, and it was the way by which you can find and apply background in Clipchamp.